Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Ram 2500 ride smoother. First, let's identify common reasons for a harsh ride, often stemming from heavy-duty suspension designed for towing and hauling. We'll then dive into practical, easy methods you can implement yourself to achieve a more comfortable driving experience. We'll cover everything from simple tire adjustments to accessible suspension modifications, ensuring your truck feels much better on the road without breaking the bank. Your tires play a huge role in how your Ram 2500 feels. Many owners run their tires at maximum pressure, which is great for heavy loads but terrible for comfort. Try reducing your tire pressure by about 5 to 10 pounds per square inch from the door jam recommendation when unloaded. This small change allows the tire to flex more, absorbing bumps. Also, choosing a less aggressive tire tread, like an all-terrain or highway tire, can significantly reduce road noise and harshness. For a noticeable improvement, consider some easy suspension upgrades. Swapping out your factory shocks for aftermarket options designed for comfort, like those from Bilstein or Fox, can make a world of difference. For the rear, softer leaf springs or supplemental airbags can provide a smoother ride when unloaded. A good steering stabilizer also helps dampen road imperfections before they reach your steering wheel, making your drive much more relaxed. Beyond specific parts, a few habits can also enhance your Ram's comfort. Always distribute any cargo evenly to maintain proper weight balance, which prevents uneven suspension loading. Regularly check your suspension components for wear. Worn parts contribute to a rough ride. For an even quieter experience, consider adding sound-deadening material to the cabin. Finally, a smoother driving style, anticipating bumps and avoiding sudden maneuvers, will always make your ride feel more comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.